morning, boys and girls. Are you ready to do some math? We're going to do something really fun this week, and it's called Tangrams. Tangrams are an ancient type of Chinese puzzle that have 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pieces. And out of those 7 pieces, there are 7 different shapes. There are 2 large triangles. There are 2 small triangles. There's a medium-sized triangle. There's a square and a parallelogram. I don't think we've ever talked about parallelograms, but a parallelogram is like a lopsided rectangle. Here is my rectangle. Right? Standing up straight and tall. A parallelogram looks like this. It's like a triangle that is falling over on its side, but hasn't fallen down all the way yet. I can go that way. That shape is called a parallelogram. Okay? What I want you to do right now is get your sheet like this. It says, color and make your own tangrams. I sent an email to your moms and dads. They should have this ready for you. And what you're going to do is color each of the shapes in the tangram a different color. All right? I've already done mine. Right here, you can see it. I want you to color each shape a different color. So pause the video right now, get your crayons, and get to work. Once you're through coloring all your shapes, then turn the video back on. Okay, did you color your tangrams? Did you color them neatly, staying in the lines? Did you fill each shape with color? If not, I want you to go back and work on it some more. When it looks really nice, what you're going to do is get your scissors and you're going to cut it out. Cut out very carefully and stay on the lines. If you don't stay on the lines, your tangrams will not look nice. Let's go. There we go. I have my 2 large triangles. I have 2 small triangles. I have 1 medium-sized triangle. I have a square. And I have a parallelogram. Let's make sure it's all 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, what you can do now is flip them over. And I want you to color the back of each of them. You don't have to color it the same color as the front. You can color it a different color if you want, or you can color it the same color. It's up to you. So pause the video now. I want you to color the backs of your tangrams and then turn the video back on. Okay, did you finish coloring them on both sides? Make sure, flip them all over. Make sure they're colored on both sides. Great. Now we are ready to play with our tangrams. Now I want you to remember something about tangrams. You can flip them any way you want. There's no right side up and no upside down. You can keep them this way. Sometimes you'll need to flip them over to the other side. Do all sorts of things. It is up to you and your imagination how you want to make things with tangrams. Here's an example. Everyone, look at the worksheets that I sent to your moms and dads and pull out this one. You see? What shape do you think that makes? What animal do you think that looks like? I think it looks like a duck or a swan. All right? What we're going to do now is get our tangrams and let's try and make that duck or swan with our own tangrams. You have to use all 7 pieces whenever you make a tangram. You cannot have one lonely piece left out. You have to use all the pieces. So let's make sure this uses all 7. Okay. Where does this go? Let's go here. It could go here, but look, it would cover up that line, so I don't want to do that. How about here? And a little triangle. No. If I flip it over, aha. Here's another big triangle. There we go. The square. Yeah, I'm going to flip it over. I don't want 2 purple sides. Then we have, how can I get this? Oh, turn it. Turn it. And then this one, no. There we go. Look, I made a swan. You can make all sorts of things with tangrams. It all depends on your imagination, what you can make. But just to help you out getting started, we have 2 things. One is a story, and all the pictures in the story are made using tangrams. Why don't we look at that story now? Now that you understand how tangrams come together to make a picture, I want you to click at the link that is underneath the video. Okay, there's a link under there. If you can't find it, ask your mom or dad, and you'll go to another page, and the story is called A Sage's Journey, the Story of Tangrams. So I want you to go to that video now and watch it. Okay, did you take a look? Didn't you love that story? I thought it was so clever how everything he made was made out of the tangrams. He made, let's see if I can make the sage, the man that was walking on the journey. I think he looked. He had a big tummy.
Let's see, this is tricky. I don't know if I'm not sure I can get this right now.
He had a little triangle for his foot. He had a square for his leg.
Now we can make the rest of himself. Was it like this?
Something like that, wasn't it? All right, that's sort of how our sage looked, isn't it? So we're going to have some fun with tangrams right now. And you have a whole bunch of pattern cards. Your work for today is to take your tangrams and do the puzzle in at least 3 of the pattern cards. You have to do at least 3. But you get a bonus if you do all, let's see, I think there are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 of them. I want you to pick at least 3 and do those. But bonus points for doing all 8. And then we will do some more with tangrams on Wednesday. Okay? I hope you have fun with them. Save your tangrams. You're going to need them again on Wednesday. Put them in an envelope or put them in a baggie and keep them safe so we can use them again later. All right. Bye-bye.